Got no time? Got a test? It's time to cram.
Hello dear students, how are you all? Let us start today's video. Again we are here in the model question paper 1. In the previous video we had completed two multiple choice questions. In this video we will complete rest 6 questions here. Okay. So the next question is, if the pair of linear equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 have unique solution, then the correct relation among the following is dash. So here we know that a1 and a2 are coefficients of variable x in both the equations. Same way, b1 and b2 are the coefficient of variable y. If we take the ratios and we will make their comparison, and when the equal values are not coming, then at that time the solution is unique. So here unique solution already given, so our answer is A. Next question, the arithmetic progression in the following is dash. So for the arithmetic progressions, we know that the difference should be common. Here the difference is 1. Here the difference is 2. Here the difference is 4. So the difference is not common. Okay, let us see here. Here the difference is 4. Here the difference is 3. Here the difference is again 4. So it is also not equal. So these two are not an arithmetic progression. Now let us check for this. Here the difference is 3. Here the difference is 5. And here the difference is 7. So it is also not equal. Let us go for the last. Here the difference is 4. Here again the difference is 4. Here again the difference is 4. So this is the common difference, and d equal to 4. So that is why our answer is D. Next question. Perpendicular drawn from a point P minus 4, 5 intersects x-axis at the point Q. The coordinates of point Q are dash. So let us consider Cartesian plane here. Suppose our point here. So now if we draw the perpendicular here from this point to the x-axis, then the y-coordinate on x-axis is always 0 and the value of x is here minus 4. So that is why our answer is minus 4 and 0. So option is B here. Next question, the quadratic equation whose roots are 6 and 1, 6 and minus 1 is a dash. So here we have to find the quadratic equation. So we have to do the reverse process, x equal to 6 or x equal to minus 1. So x minus 6 equal to 0 or x plus 1 equal to 0. So therefore, product of them x minus 6 and x plus 1 equal to 0. Let us apply the distributive property here. So x into the bracket x plus 1 minus 6 into the bracket x plus 1 equal to 0. And if we simplify, then we will get the answer here, x square minus 5x minus 6 equal to 0. Let us go for the question number 5 and 6 here. So in the given frequency distribution table, the median class we have to find here. So to find the median class, we know that a cumulative frequency is very important. Cumulative frequency is here this column, and when we find the median class, then we have to calculate the n by 2. So here n is given 20. So 20 by 2 equal to 10. So 10 is not here because it is up to 7 only. So 10 will be included here. So that is why the median class is 20 and 30. So our answer is 6. Now the next question is, if cot A equal to 3 tangent A, then we have to find the value of angle A. So cot A and tangent A are the multiplicative inverse of each other, that we know that. So we have to do the calculation for them. So cot A equal to 1 upon tangent A equal to 3 into again 3 multiplied by tangent A. Let us bring 3 from multiplication to here, then it will come in the denominator, and if we move tangent A from here, then it will go and multiply with another 10. So 10 square A. Now let us take the square root, then we know that 1 upon root 3 equal to tangent A. From trigonometric table, we know that 1 upon root 3 is a tangent 30. So tangent 30 equal to tangent A. So here 10, 10 cut, and our value A equal to 30. So our answer is here D, 30. So wait for the next upcoming video. There we will solve question number 2. Thank you.